Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you one of my favorite cakes to make, and it's a light fruit cake. It's the perfect cross between a fruit cake and a sponge cake. So if you'd like to see how to make this, keep watching. So to start this recipe, I have my softened butter in my bowl, and to that I'm adding in my sugar. We're going to whip or mix or cream until it's light and fluffy. Once light and fluffy, you're going to add in your eggs one at a time until it's fully incorporated. Once incorporated, next we're going to add in our pureed fruit. I'm using some leftover fruit from when I made my black cake. And if you wanted to make this non-alcoholic, just use Malta or grape juice when blending your fruit. Next goes in my nutmeg, grounded cinnamon, and cherry essence. Mix to incorporate those ingredients. Next goes in flour and baking powder. And now you're going to mix this until it comes together. You don't want to overbeat it. So as soon as it comes together, stop. And we're going to pour this out into our floured and greased cake pan. You want to use a deep cake pan for this because it does give you a high rise. If you wanted to, you could make this into 2 smaller cakes. So spread out the top evenly, and this goes into my oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour, or until a skewer comes out clean. Once it's finished, allow it to cool, and then you can go ahead and cut and enjoy. Look at the crumb on the inside. That texture, that crumb, it's so amazing, and I can see the specks of fruit. So when you taste this, it's going to be like a sponge cake with a hint of fruit flavor. It's one of my absolute favorite cakes to make. So I hope you guys give it a try this Christmas. Let me know what you think. Comment and let me know down below. Remember to share this recipe with your friends if you like it. Thank you guys so much for joining me in the kitchen. Continue to stay safe and have a happy holiday season. Bye guys.